Picture this. It's the end of the month, you open your banking app, your salary hit and somehow vanished. You're staring at the screen like, bro, I didn't even buy anything crazy. No vacation, no luxury shopping spree, no yacht. Just vibes, subscriptions, food deliveries, and random Amazon charges you don't remember authorizing. And the worst part? You feel busy, you feel like you're trying. But your bank balance looks like you're actively sabotaging yourself. Here's the thing. Most people think wealthy people are rich because they earn more. That's cute. They're rich because there are very specific things they refuse to waste money on, things the rest of us casually bleed cash into every single month. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. My name is Anna, and one spend way too much time thinking about 8 things the wealthy never waste money on. If you're someone who works hard, earns decently, but still feels broke, stuck in paycheck to paycheck mode, and constantly wondering where your money actually goes, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, this video isn't about cutting lattes and just budget better. This is about power, financial power, psychological power, decision-making power, and we're going to move through this in levels. Because the deeper you go, the more uncomfortable and useful it gets. Level 1 power, what the wealthy never waste money on. Obvious stuff. Let's start easy. Stuff you already kind of know but don't fully respect yet. 1. The wealthy never waste money on impressing people who don't matter. Here's a hard truth. Most people don't buy things for themselves. They buy things for an imaginary audience. New phone, new car upgrade, designer logo right across the chest. Why? Because somewhere in your brain there's a silent voice saying, if I look successful, maybe I am successful. Wealthy people don't play this game. They understand something early. Status is rented. Wealth is owned. Let's do the math. You finance a car upgrade that costs you an extra $400 a month. That's $4,800 a year. Invested at a modest 8% for 20 years, that's about $220,000. You didn't buy a car, you sold future freedom for validation today. Here's the psychological trap. Humans are wired to seek social approval. Marketing knows this. Luxury brands feed on this insecurity. Wealthy people opt out. They don't need applause, they need leverage. 2. They never waste money on convenience that creates dependency. Convenience isn't bad, overusing convenience is. Daily food delivery, constant ride-hailing, paying extra to avoid the smallest effort. Here's the thing. Wealthy people ask a different question. Is this buying me time or stealing my discipline? Ordering food once in a while? Fine. Ordering food every day because I'm tired? That's a lifestyle leak. Let's say delivery costs you $12 extra per order. 5 times a week equals $60. Per month equals $240. Per year equals $2,880. That's not convenience. That's a silent tax on laziness. The psychology. Convenience gives instant dopamine. Discipline gives delayed freedom. The wealthy choose freedom. Level 2 power, the stuff most people completely miss. This is where things start to separate. 3. The wealthy never waste money on bad debt that pretends to be normal. Not all debt is evil. But most people are drowning in the worst kind. Credit cards, buy now pay later, high-interest personal loans, and they justify it with phrases like, everyone does it, it's just how life works. No, that's how banks work. Let's talk numbers. A $5,000 credit card balance at 22% interest. Minimum payments only. You'll pay over $11,000 total, and it'll take you years. Wealthy people don't let interest work against them. They understand compounding isn't magic. It's math with direction. Upward you get rich, downward you stay stuck. Bad debt isn't just expensive, it kills optionality. And wealthy people are obsessed with options. 4. They never waste money on cheap things that break repeatedly. This one is sneaky. Poor mindset says, get the cheapest option. Wealthy mindset says, get the best value over time. Example, you buy $30 shoes every 6 months. That's $60 a year. Someone else buys $180 shoes that last 5 years. That's $36 a year. Same with tools, clothes, furniture, even education. The psychology here, scarcity thinking focuses on price. Abundance thinking focuses on total cost of ownership. Wealthy people zoom out always. Pause, because the next one, this is where most people in the comments get defensive. If this video has already made you uncomfortable, good, that means it's working. And trust me, the next 4 are the ones that quietly decide whether you stay average or not. Level 3 power, invisible money drains. This is where wealthy thinking gets surgical. 5. The wealthy never waste money on ignoring small numbers. Most people say, it's just $10, it's just $20. Wealthy people know this. Small numbers repeated become life-changing numbers. $15 per day on random spending, that's $450 per month. That's $5,400 per year. Invested yearly for 25 years at 8%, that's roughly $395,000. You didn't save money, you bought a house by not wasting it. Your brain minimizes small losses, but compounds them silently. Wealthy people track because awareness equals control. 6. They never waste money on lifestyle inflation. This is the silent killer. You earn more, so you spend more. Same stress, same savings rate. Just nicer packaging, new income gets absorbed instantly. Wealthy people delay gratification on purpose. When income increases, they do three things first. Number one, increase investments. Number two, increase buffers. Number three, maybe increase lifestyle. Most people reverse it. That's why raises don't change lives. Level 4 power, psychological dominance. Now we're getting dangerous, but in a good way. 7. The wealthy never waste money on decisions made while emotional. This one is huge. Most bad financial decisions happen when people are stressed, bored, lonely, or trying to feel something. Impulse purchases, revenge spending. I deserve this spending. Wealthy people build friction. They wait 24 to 72 hours before big purchases. They automate investing so emotions can't interfere. They separate mood from money. They don't trust themselves emotionally. That's wisdom. 8. They never waste money on things that don't increase future power. This is the final level, and it's the one most people never reach. Wealthy people filter spending through one question: does this increase my future earning power, freedom, or leverage? If not, it's entertainment, and entertainment has a strict budget. Like courses, skills, health, networks, time, these aren't expenses, they're force multipliers. $1,000 on a skill that increases income by $10,000 per year. That's not spending, that's arbitrage. Most people spend to escape life. Wealthy people spend to upgrade it. Look, this isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. The wealthy don't win because they're smarter. They win because they leak less energy, less money, and less focus. Money is just stored effort. Stop wasting it on things that give nothing back. And if this video helped you see your spending differently, even a little, subscribe. Because once you learn how money actually works, you stop playing defense, you start playing power.